Hello everyone, my name is Kirandeep Kaur and in this video we are going to learn another skill, that is project management skills. So in this video we are going to be covering the basic introduction. We are going to learn what project management skills is all about, then importance of project management, why do we need to learn about management, why is it important, then benefits of project management. Once you are good at it, once you have the project management skills, what are the benefits that you are going to get. Then project management, the triple constraint. Now this is a concept that I will be showing you. And essential qualities of a project manager. So what are the qualities that are important for a project manager to possess? So let's start. The first is introduction. What is project management? Essential for successfully planning, organizing, and executing projects within an organization. So, why is it important to have project management skills? Because if you want to be a good leader, if you want to build a collaborative environment, and if you want to build a good rapport, you need to have project management skills. Project management skills helps you to successfully plan the task, plan the work, then also organize them in a proper way and execute all those projects within the organization and within the resources, with the resources which is being available. Okay, whether it's a small task or a complex one. So it can be very, very basic, very small task, or it can be something which is very complex or maybe on a very large scale. It helps, it enables the individual having these skills, enable the individuals to meet the deadlines and to provide the best quality of that project or the product they're working on. So why is it important? Why is it important for a leader or a manager to have the project management skills? See, project management skills are crucial for successful project execution and achieving the desired results. So if once we work on something, once we get a project, we start planning, and planning everybody does, but executing those plans is equally important, and only that will reap you the results. So that is why having the project management skills will help you in successfully project execution and also help you achieve the goals of yours and also the organization. Then first is efficient resource allocation. Now, let's read it. Helps in effectively managing and allocating the resources. So once we start working on a task, or once we start working on a project, there are three most important resources. First is the time, right? Then the budget, and then the personnel, which is the workforce. So if you have the project management skills, you will be able to allocate and manage time, the budget, the money, and also the workforce. These three are the most important resources. Then clear goal setting. It enables the establishment of clear goals, because once the goal is clear, once your aim is clear, you are better at achieving them, because then you take measurable and you take the right steps to achieve that aim, that goal. Next is clear goal setting. So enables the establishment of clear project goals. So it helps you to establish the clear project goals, objectives and milestones, which provides a goal, a clear aim for the personals as well. Then next is risk management. Risk management so helps in anticipating challenges. So if you have these skills, it will help you to anticipate, to manage the risk, because once we deal with something, once we work on something, there are a lot of threats, there are a lot of negative things that we deal. So if you have the project management skills, it will help you in anticipating the challenges which are there, then also developing the contingency plans, how to meet them, how to deal with them, also implement the risk mitigation strategies, and then work on your main goal. Also, communication and collaboration. A project manager, a good project manager, always has a good communication skills and ensure that there is a collaborative environment. So promotes effective communication and collaboration among the team members, stakeholders, and the clients, which helps in sharing the information, resolving the conflicts, and also meeting the goals in time. Because if there is good communication, if there is a collaborative environment, everybody will be able to work in a better way and to give their 100%. And that will automatically help in finally achieving the goal. Then next is the time and cost management. So having these skills, owning these skills helps in developing the realistic project, cost, how much will it cost, how much resources will be needed to meet the goal, also monitor the progress and take the corrective actions thereaway. So it helps in managing the time and managing the cost. So you will be able to understand how much expenses will be there, and also you will be able to work on the shortcomings if any, and then next time work able to achieve, you will be able to achieve them in the best possible way. Then quality assurance, it ensures that your quality is not compromised. So by setting quality standards, conducting inspections regularly, and implementing quality control measures, project managers ensures that they provide the best quality products in time. So what they do is they set quality standards, they do regular inspections, and also they implement the quality control measures to ensure that their product is of best quality and also is within the timeline provided to them. Next is adaptability and flexibility. Project management skills equip the professionals with the ability to adapt to the changing requirement and make quick decisions. So these skills actually helps the personnel to accept the changes quickly, because the customers won't keep on changing. So suppose they are preparing, they are working on a product for the customers, and there is a slight change in the requirements in the market. So a good project manager will quickly understand that, gauge that, and then adapt to it and work accordingly. So it actually helps in, it improves the adaptability and the flexibility. Next, stakeholder management. So a project manager deals with a lot of people, right? With the customers, with the employees, with the stakeholders. So if they have the project management skills, they'll be able to actually, manage the stakeholders in a better way. So project managers need skills to engage different stakeholders, understand their needs, and meet their expectations effectively. This helps in building strong relationship and ensures customer satisfaction. Then continuous improvement. So life is a learning process, and in the same way for a project manager, the work, that their task, their daily work is actually a learning process. So it fosters a mindset of continuous learning. It actually through post project evaluations. So once the project is done, what they do is they conduct basically they can do evaluations, they do surveys, also lesson, they learn, they see, they take feedbacks. So by regular feedbacks, by basically evaluating their project, how was the result, how was the people's reaction and their uh, feedback to it, they take it, all those things into consideration, and next time work on that a lot to meet their customers need, their stakeholders need, and also deliver the project in time. So basically it is a continuous improvement journey, and having project management skills helps a lot with this as well. Okay, so now we have seen the importance of project management. Next on the slide is the benefits of project management. So project management skills offer numerous benefits, and be it people in the various industries on various posts, it helps everybody. So benefits can be improved efficiency, of course, if the person is good at managing the project. is good with managing the stakeholders, is managing cost, time effectively, it will automatically improve that person's efficiency. Also, effective communication. If you are a good project manager, you will be automatically be very good in communicating because it will build a collaborative environment for you. Also, goal achievement. If you are managing everything, if you are making sure that there is quality maintenance, also the task is divided into smaller parts and each goal is achieved in time, it will automatically help you achieve your goal. Also, risk management by doing a market survey, doing keeping a check on the product on a regular basis, you will be able to manage your risk regularly. Stakeholder satisfaction, budget control, keeping the cost in mind, keeping the resources available in mind, and or if these things are kept in mind and then everything is planned and worked upon, it will automatically ensure that there is a control and in the budget. So that is also good, a benefit of time project management. Then adaptability and flexibility. People who have those project management skills, they're very adaptable and they are flexible. Continuous improvement, like we discussed earlier. Also, career advancement and professional development. So it all in all, it helps the person on a personal level as well, as it builds a lot of opportunities for them in the future, and it helps them a lot to grow and to develop personally, professionally. Next is the project management triple constraint. So what does it mean? So through this diagram, I'm going to explain it to you. To deliver a good quality product, or to ensure that the project is of very, very good quality, it is meeting the quality standards, there are three most important resources. First is the time, then is the cost, and then is the scope. So what we make sure while working, what a project manager makes sure is that while dealing with the project, that is, the project must be delivered on time. So time is one of the most important constraint. So time should be, the project should be delivered in time. Then project must be within the cost. जो cost है उसके within में होना चाहिए, and project must be within scope. So within time, within cost, and within scope. Only then, if these three things are kept in mind, and then we work on the project manager works on the project, then only it will be considered as a good quality project. So this is basically the triple constraint. Next is essential qualities of a project manager. So what are the qualities of a project manager? First is strong leadership ability. So to be a project manager, automatically it becomes important that you should be able to lead people, because you are in that position. You're going to deal with many, many employees. You're going to guide them. You're going to tell them what they have to do, how they're supposed to achieve their goal and complete a task. So first, it is very important that the person, the manager, should be very good at leadership. Okay. Next is excellent communication skills. Again, because of the same reason, you have to manage the stakeholders. You have to deal with so many employees. You have to maybe deal with the people who are outside the business. So it is important to hone good communication skills, because communication will ensure that there is collaborative environment, and also people will feel automatically motivated to do well and to meet their task. Next is organization. So what do we mean by organization? Organization means that the manager should be very organized with his things. He should be organized with the work. He should be able to organize the time in the best possible way. He should be be able to organize the resources available in the best possible way. So a person, this is one of the most important qualities of a project manager, that he should be able to organize the resources, the time in the best way. Then problem solving. Again, if you are dealing with so many people, so many employees, and you have so much of responsibility that you have to complete a project on time, and this is one of the most important tasks for you, you will be facing a lot of problems. The employees might come up with some issues, some clashes. what your approach should be, that you should be able to resolve those conflicts, and you should be having the problem solving quality, the ability. So problem solving ability is one of, again, the most important qualities of a project manager. Then time and task management. So time is money, and again, if you're working on a project, definitely, or you will be getting some profit out of it in the future. So you should be able to manage the time and task properly. Time allocation should be there. You should divide the bigger project, the bigger goal, into small goals, small parts, so that you can achieve one by one, and that will ensure that you feel motivated to go for the next one. And also you will be able to check if there is some shortcomings, if there is some mistake that you did in the previous one, you can work on it next time. So that is why time management and task management is an important part, is an important quality of a project manager. Then the next is teamwork and collaboration. So the project manager should be able to deal with a lot of people, with a lot of employees, because there are different kind of peoples in a team. There are different kind of personnel in a team, and everybody has a different personality. So the project manager should be able to deal with them, to understand their mindset, to understand what their expectations are, what their goals are, and then match them with that of the organization, so that they also feel motivated. So teamwork and collaboration. Collaboration is also important, as the project manager should try to build a collaborative environment. How will that be done? If the project manager is good in communication, he will automatically be able to create that sort of environment in which people will be very much collaborative and efficient. So teamwork and collaboration is one of the most important qualities again. So again, next is flexibility. Should be flexible. If there are some changes, maybe in the rules and regulations for the project that they are dealing with, or maybe if there are some changes in the requirements of the customers, they should be very flexible to accept it and adapt to it quickly. So that, because if the team manager, if the project manager is adaptable and flexible, only then he will be able to inspire and motivate their team members to be the same way. Then risk management, he should be equipped with the risk management skills. He should be able to recognize the risk and the threats, and should able to work on them, and to prepare the plans to avoid them, and also be able to achieve the goals. Then business acumen. The project manager should have business acumen, which means he should have good knowledge of the business he is in. So he should know what are the rules and regulation, what are the laws, and he should make the projects, the plans, and the steps accordingly, so that there is no problem later. Also, continuous learning. Like we discussed earlier, this is a continuous learning process. So the project manager should be open to learning continuously. He should be open to new ideas. He should be open to everybody's opinion, so that even the people in the team feel that they are heard, and maybe even he can get to learn something new from his or her team members. Next is the conclusion. So now I would like to conclude by saying that project management skills encompasses various competencies like planning. First, planning is most important. Then the communication, leadership, and risk management skills. So planning is important. Then you should be able to communicate in a good way. Then leadership and risk management. By honing these skills, project managers can successfully navigate complex projects and deliver exceptional results. Now, to be a good project manager, you should work on your planning, your communication skills, then also your leadership skills and your risk management ability. And then again, accept at the same time that it is a learning process, it is a continuous learning process, and you will learn with more and more experiences and with time. And by honing these skills, I am pretty sure that you will be able to manage the project in the best possible way and provide the quality results. So do apply these tips, and these tricks that I have given, and also try to be a good project manager. Thank you.